Hello, my beautiful friends. Have you ever dreamt of covering those pesky grey hairs or achieving a natural, gorgeous brown tone for your hair without using harsh chemicals? Well, today I have a secret recipe for you. This powerful DIY will not only color your hair, but also nourish your scalp, boost hair growth, and make your locks healthier and shinier than ever. You know, every time I go to a family gathering or meet friends, the first question I get is, "What's the secret behind your shiny, healthy hair?" And then they go, "How do you manage to have zero grey hairs?" Well, today I'm finally letting you in on my little secret. It's something I've been using for years, and I swear by it. This magical recipe is my go-to hair treatment every 15 days, and not only does it completely cover grey hairs, but it's also a super booster for hair growth. Most of my relatives already know my secret because, trust me, when they saw my hair, they just had to try it. And guess what? They're now obsessed with it too. Let me share a little story. When my sister-in-law got married, her hair was thin, dull, and lacked shine. She was super worried about it and asked me for advice. I suggested this recipe, and she started using it consistently. Fast forward to now, her hair is long, thick, super shiny, and she gets compliments everywhere she goes. I promise, if you start using this, you'll notice the difference right after the first use. And with consistent application, your hair will transform. It'll become healthy, strong, and absolutely radiant. So, are you ready to learn my secret recipe? Let's dive in. Before we get started, let me know in the comments below. What's your biggest challenge with grey hair? Let's chat. Why natural hair dye? Most store-bought hair dyes are packed with chemicals that can damage your hair over time, leading to dryness, split ends, and even hair thinning. But natural ingredients not only color your hair, they nourish it, strengthen it, and leave it shiny and healthy. This method is perfect for anyone who wants stunning brown hair while saying goodbye to grey, naturally. Let's dive into the step-by-step process of preparing this magical hair dye and see why each ingredient is an absolute game changer for your hair. Step 1. Preparing the base liquid. First, we're going to create the liquid base. Take a pan and add 2 tablespoons of coffee powder. Coffee powder. Coffee is a natural dye that helps darken grey hair while adding a deep brown tone. Plus, it strengthens hair roots and makes your hair soft and silky. Have you ever tried using coffee for your hair before? Let me know in the comments. Coffee not only gives your hair a rich brown tone, but also strengthens hair follicles. It's a natural dye that reduces grey hair while adding a glossy shine. And next, adding 1 spoon of cardamom, elachi, cardamom. This tiny spice is a powerhouse for hair. It contains antioxidants and nourishes the scalp, making your hair healthier and shinier over time. Cardamom enhances the absorption of natural pigments like coffee and henna, strengthens hair follicles to prevent further graying, and adds shine and vitality for rich, vibrant hair. Including it in your natural dye recipe not only covers grey hair, but deeply nourishes. Have you tried cardamom for your hair? Next, we add 1 cinnamon stick or 1 teaspoon of cinnamon powder. Cinnamon. This boosts circulation to your scalp, promoting hair growth and making your hair smell amazing. Cinnamon. Whether you use powder or stick, cinnamon is a powerhouse ingredient in hair care. It stimulates blood circulation to the scalp, promoting healthy hair growth and strengthening hair follicles. Its natural pigments and antioxidant properties can enhance the absorption of color when used in dye recipes, helping to cover grey hair effectively. Cinnamon also has antifungal properties, keeping the scalp healthy and free from infections. Regular use of cinnamon in hair care adds volume, shine, and nourishment to the strands, making it a perfect addition to any natural hair remedy. Have you ever tried cinnamon for your hair? Give it a shot and see the magic. Finally, adding green tea is a game changer. It's packed with antioxidants that strengthen hair follicles, reduce dandruff, and even slow down premature graying. Do you drink green tea? If yes, you're already giving your hair a boost from the inside out. Green tea. Rich in antioxidants, it strengthens hair and reduces hair fall. Plus, it gives your hair that healthy bounce. Green tea. Loaded with antioxidants, green tea strengthens your hair follicles, reduces hair fall, and fights premature graying. Add a cup of water and let it boil for 5 to 10 minutes low flame. Let it boil for a few minutes and ask yourself, when was the last time you pampered your hair with something completely natural? Comment below if this is your first time trying a homemade hair recipe. Once it's done, strain the liquid and set it aside. Let's move on to the next step. Step 2. Mixing the magic powder. In a mixing bowl, take 3 big spoons of henna powder. Now, let's talk about why these powders are magical for your hair. Henna powder. This is the hero of our recipe. Henna is a natural hair dye that not only covers grey hair, but also conditions and strengthens your hair, leaving it soft and manageable. Did you know that henna has been used for centuries for its incredible benefits? Henna is the queen of natural hair dyes. Henna gives a rich, long-lasting brown color, while deeply conditioning and adding volume to your hair. Next, add 1 tablespoon of Brahmi powder. Brahmi powder. Brahmi is a powerful herb that nourishes the scalp, reduces split ends, and stimulates hair growth. It also gives your hair a beautiful texture and makes it less prone to breakage. Now, here's where the magic truly begins. We've got our 2-star players ready. Our liquid base, rich with all those nourishing extracts, and our powder base, packed with powerful hair-loving ingredients. It's time to bring them together. Slowly add the strained liquid to the powders. You'll notice the mixture transforming. Start mixing gently but thoroughly, ensuring there are no lumps. This step is crucial. Every strand of your hair deserves the benefits of this amazing blend. Doesn't this feel like a magical potion coming to life? Have you ever tried making something like this before? Let me know in the comments below. And mix well until you get a smooth, lump-free paste. Let's give this mixture 30 minutes to rest so the ingredients can release all their goodness. In the meantime, let me ask you, have you ever used henna before? Comment below and share your experience. Step 3. Enriching the mixture with oils. Now that our paste has rested, let's add some nourishing oils to make it even better. Add 1 tablespoon of coconut oil. Here's why these oils are essential. Coconut oil. This oil penetrates deep into the hair shaft, reducing protein loss and repairing damage. It also adds a beautiful shine to your hair and keeps it moisturized. Who else swears by coconut oil for their hair? Let me know in the comments. Next, add 2 tablespoons of almond oil. Almond oil, packed with vitamin E, almond oil strengthens your hair, reduces hair fall, and promotes thicker, healthier growth. It's a true elixir for damaged hair. Mix the oils well into the paste and you're almost done. The last step is adding 1 egg white. Egg whites are full of protein, which helps repair damaged hair, boosts hair growth, and adds a silky shine. If you've never used eggs in your hair care routine, trust me, this step is a game changer. Mix everything thoroughly, and our magical hair dye is ready to apply. Now, let's talk about how to use this. Apply the mixture to clean, dry hair, starting from the roots and working your way to the tips. Make sure every strand is coated. Leave it on for 2-3 hours to let the magic happen. During this time, the henna will color your hair, and the oils and other ingredients will deeply nourish it. Afterward, rinse your hair with plain water and follow up with a mild, sulfate-free shampoo. Avoid conditioner. The oils in this recipe will leave your hair soft and manageable. Once every 15 days is perfect to maintain the color and keep your hair healthy. What do you think about this process? Share your thoughts below. This recipe is the best because it's a complete hair care solution. It covers grey hair naturally, promotes hair growth, and leaves your hair looking shiny and vibrant. Plus, it's free from harmful chemicals, making it safe and effective for everyone. So, what are you waiting for? Give it a try, and let me know in the comments how it worked for you. If you loved this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more natural beauty secrets. See you in the next video.